Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to run HTML file in Visual Studio Code Live Server. So if you want to go ahead and take a look onto your HTML file and run it onto a live server, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to launch the app first. So as you can see, we're currently onto the Visual Studio already, and we need to open the project that has our HTML file. So as you can see, I have here a sample project, which is this one, and this will open a specific image that I have in here. So for you to be able to create your own HTML code, just click onto file in here and click onto new file. And then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and make sure to add in the file name and add in the extension .html right after that, so that it should be recognized as an HTML file. Right after, to go ahead and run this, you'll just need to go ahead and install a specific extension. So this is the extension icon. Click onto that, and then right after, just make sure that you have installed Live Server. So just search Live Server here onto the search bar. This one by Ritwik Day. And then right after, just make sure that this one is installed and this one is enabled. So as you can see, it is enabled and installed already here onto my system. And for us to be able to proceed, let's head back onto our project in here. So for us to be able to run this, let's just right click onto this one and then open with live server. So as you can see, it will start at a certain port. Let's just wait for this one to open your local browser. So it will automatically open something like this, and it has gone ahead and added our code and also the image that we want to attach. And that is just basically it, how you run an HTML file in Visual Studio Code using Live Server. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.